Got a little something in the mail. Aero race wheels. All you drag racers out there probably don't know what the hell these are. But all you circle track guys out there, you do know what these are. So I'm going from a big tire, and I'm racing the Christmas tree drags. And I'm not rich by any means. I don't even have a pot to pee in. We're in the middle of looking to move because the house we were in is being sold.
I gotta flip it over.
But I got still trying to get the S10 ready because the race is December 22nd, and I haven't raced in a while. The only rules are I have to run a 315 radial.
Another box.
So I scoured on Facebook, found me a set of used 315 radials from last year. And then I started searching for wheels, and a pair of beadlock 15 by 12s with 2.5 back spacing and aluminum. That's $1,400 a wheel.
That's shiny.
Well, I don't have $1,400 kind of money. So what we got here is the cowbell. We're going racing on some steelies, guys. 15 by 12s with a beadlock.
That is a lot of screws.
So these beadlocks are for circle track.
They're a little dusty.
They're not something you see every day in a drag car because of the weight. But honestly, I weighed my center lines and the slicks and checked the weight of these wheels and the drag radials, and it's 8 pounds more per tire and wheel combo.
Here's the hardware.
They give me Dietz fasteners, mud cover. We need a mud cover. We're taking my S10 mudding. That's the beadlock screws. So it come with beadlock screws. Here, set that down. So why I picked these, not only is it a true beadlock, these were $240 a wheel. That is in my budget. I can afford $214 a wheel. They're just a steel wheel, acorn seat. They'll fit the GM register. And another reason, you see all that backspace? That is why I picked them. This will keep my wheel the exact same as the wheels that are on it. All I basically did is take my 14-inch wheel, took 2 inches off of this side. This is a 2-inch back spacing. Perfect for my truck. I needed a 2-inch backspace to a 3-inch backspace. And aluminum wheels I was fine in 3.5 or 2.5. But there again, for $1,500 a wheel, $3,000 to save 16 pounds. Guys, I just put 3 batteries in my S10, 2 amplifiers, all the wiring, a subwoofer, a sub box. Honestly, 8 pounds don't mean much to me. I don't really care. So we went with black just to do a little something different. It's dusty, just cardboard dust, but yeah, they're pretty cool. $240 for beadlocks. 12-inch wide. We can stretch 315s on there. It's gonna be cool. A little beadlock pinch to bead right there.
Do need some valve stems.
I've already got them. They're over there on the counter.
Oh, okay.
And I've got the acorn lug nuts for them too. So these are 10 inches from back spacing mount to the outside and 2 inches the other direction. So there's basically That's like an 8-inch lip plus 2 inches on that to get 10 inches. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah. So that's what we got. Yes, we're going to add some weight. It might actually be to our benefit because I guess they're saying you need to hit a radial soft, immediate hit, and then ramp your power in fast, which I can do with the grid. But I didn't have a good way to soften it. So these being heavier might actually soften it for me. So it's kind of cool.
Get a valve stem here.
Yeah. Garrett's playing with the valve stems.
Pull him off.
Yeah, so this, hang on, let me see the seal. Is that the fat seal? No. Take that fat seal. Is the seal you want.
That goes on the inside?
I think you could sandwich it. It'd be alright.
I was going to do it like that.
Yeah, I think you can. I think that's how my wheels are. But the fat one is what centers it. See how it's not centered?
Yeah.
Use the fat one to center it. No, just put the fat one on it upside down.
Over it.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, but once it's in the wheel. Mom's calling us.
I don't know how you want me to do this.
Put the fat one through the wheel. Upside down.
Upside down.
No.
That way?
Yeah, once it's in the wheel.
Once it's in.
Yeah, you're going to pinch the two rubbers together. No. Push the valve stem through the wheel. Don't take that off. Just push it through the wheel. Get your rubber and push it on upside down over the stem.
Like that?
Yeah, and then put the cap over it. See how that fits in the hole?
Yeah.
It should fit tight in the hole. And then when you tighten that down with the nut, that should pinch it and make it seal up.
So it goes...
Yeah, concave side down. Yep. And then the nut. That's cool.
It's a little bit different than what my valve stems are like, but...
Yeah. And these aren't powder. I don't think they're not powder coated. I think they're just black paint, guys. But it still looks cool.
Boom.
There you go. Got a way to add air.
Yep. And then you need your tires, which are downstairs.
Yeah. I think we'd have to soap them up and stuff, but this is still pretty cool. We'll see how it works. Hopefully I can get down the track a couple times. Two or three times. Oh, okay, that's what these are. These you could put those Dietz fasteners in and put a flat cover to keep mud from building up inside these.
Mm-hmm.
That's a pretty smart idea. Dang dirt, guys.
After we're done with the drag radials, we can get a set of mud tires.
Yeah, we can go mud drags.
Yeah.
That'd be fun. Get
Go
mud all over my amps.
Yep.
Yeah, it'd be a blast.
Well, that's that one.
Yep, it looks cool.
And what's nice is this sits in there,
Yeah.
so it can't move.
Well, once it's bolted down, it ain't going nowhere.
Yeah. What I'm saying is
Yeah.
it has like a recess for it to be on.
Cheapest bead locks you can buy.
Yep. Pretty cool.
I might have to get a black wheel for the front.
Do steelies all around.
Help keep the front end down.
I think we need the front end to come up.
Not with the radial.
Well, not with the radial, but with The slicks you would.
With the radial, we need the front end to be stiff.
Yeah.
Need the back end to do all the work. Cool.
Yep.
Well, that's what I could afford, so that's what we got.
Where's the hardware for it?
Over there in a bag.
Ooh, it's got
A bunches of them.
yeah, it's got the fat-headed bolts.
Yeah, 1/2 inch.
Boom.
Gonna look good. Pass up everything but gas station.
Yep.
You gonna get a tire?
I can. Go get a tire from downstairs and see how easy it is to mount with no tire machine. Because you don't need one.
Yeah.
You just drop it
That'll be
on.
part 2. I'll stop this video here.